hello, hello, hello. How are you? How are you? I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. How about you? How about you?
Hello, hello. How about you?
Every day,
Every day,
I go and play. I meet new friends, and we all say, hello, hello. What's your name?
What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you wanna play?
What's your name?
What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you wanna play?
English book.
Okay. So while we, as we continue, we're going to have our dance, our prayer dance, followed by lupang hinirang. So you need to remain standing, and our panatang makabayan. Okay, are you ready? So you need to stand up,
Yes.
and you need to recite the panatang makabayan and sing the lupang hinirang later. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So avoid excess movement. No doing like this, ha. And avoid excess movement. Okay po? You need to go down. Oh, let's dance first. I will sing forever 'cause your love comes down. Beat my hands to heaven, shout your praises loud. I was lost in darkness when you pulled me out. I will sing forever of your love come down. remain standing for the national anthem. Okay, ready? Put your right hand on your left chest. You need to stand up.
Hiraya! Mga bata, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Magiliw, perlas ang silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinilang, tuyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at puno, sa sinulan, sa langit mo'y baka, may nilagang pula at awit sa paglangilaan. Ako sa tawat-tawat mo'y labong ay darating. Ang bituin at araw na karan, kamay di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw, langit at sinan, may langit sa piso. Ang ligaya ng mga atin, ang ako'y nanggaling sa'yo.
Hanggang sa muli mga bata.
Panatang makabayan. Itaas ang kanang kamay. Sundan po.
Itaas ang kanang kamay at sabay-sabay nating bigkasin ang panatang makabayan. Iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilangan, tahanan ng aking lahi. Kinukupkup ako at tinutulungang maging malakas, masipag at marangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, diringgin ko ang payo ng aking magulang. Susundin ko ang tuntunin ng paaralan. Tutuparin ko ang tungkulin ng mamamayang makabayan, naglilingkod, nag-aaral at nagdarasal ng buong katapatan. Iaalay ko ang aking buhay, pangarap, pagsisikap sa bansang Pilipinas.
Okay, pwede nang umupo.
My hands are tired doing this.
Okay, so how are you today, grade 1? How are you feeling today?
I feel good. I feel great. Excited.
Okay, I cannot hear you one more time. I feel good.
I feel good.
I feel great. Okay. So we're going to have our new lesson today. So let's start with identifying some images from our activity. Okay, just wait. English, but we're not going to use a book yet. Just wait for my instruction. Okay, let's see if your classmates are here.
Where's Dian?
I just need to check. Dito naman siya. Okay. For a moment, teacher need to fix something, okay?
Okay.
Who is raising hand?
I don't know. Not me.
Okay. Where is our lesson? Okay, so one by one, I'm going to put you here on our board. You're going to identify and write the picture. What is the picture all about? Okay? I'm going to ask you to write the picture all about. So let's start with who wanted to start? Oh, you can raise hand. Oh, Kaylee. Where's Kaylee? Where are you, Kaylee? Raise hand again. You need raise hand again. Okay, Kaylee, can you please choose the drag and select button so that you can get one picture and tell teacher what is the picture all about? Okay, put it on the right side of our board. You can mute first so that you cannot hear some disturbing noise. Okay, what is that, Kaylee? Okay, you can type. What's that? Okay, wash or washing. Okay, you can say wash. Can you please type the word wash? Go, Kaylee. What happened? Okay, let's wait for. Okay, Kaylee, go. Can you please write the word under the picture? Select the text. Where's Kaylee? Okay. Let's have others. Can you please mute so that we don't have noise? Mag-mute muna po. Mag-mute muna. Mute tayo ha. Ako na lang. Teacher na lang. Ako na lang po. Okay. So, I will call. Okay, Lee, I will go back to you later. Okay. Can you please select the move and select icon? Get the picture, please. Email. Select the picture and drag it.
Wala.
Wala po. Ayan po. Okay, what is that all about? What is that?
Play.
What is doing? Okay, jump or jumping. Can you please write jump under the picture? Below the picture. Change the font color so that you can see it. Jump. Jump is okay. Okay, jumping. Okay, good job. Okay, let's have Ethan. Okay, can you drag a picture? Select and move, Ethan icon. Select and move. Okay. What is that all about? Square ba siya? What is that? I'll change your answer. Okay, that is cry. You're crying. Good job. Okay, next. Okay, drag a picture. You can put it here below the washing. Okay, what is that all about, Ate? What is that title? Oh, can you type in the answer? Okay, good job. Okay, next is Trixie. Okay, Trixie, can you please drag a picture?
Hey.
Hey, what happened to you? Okay, go. Okay, what is that? What do you think he's doing?
Playing.
Playing? Okay, so you put play.
Rat.
Okay, that's correct. That's correct. What do you say, Trixie?
Play.
Okay, just write play. Okay, can you please click the type? Okay, go. Play. That's good job. Okay, next, Abel. Okay, can you choose one picture? Okay, what is that?
Study.
Okay, you put or key in the word study. Okay, go. Study. Key in, ate, you choose the letter T. Choose the letter T so you can type. Yes? Just wait, ate. Are you typing? Maybe your font is... Are you typing, ate? You need to type what the boy doing. What can you say about that? You need to type. Click the letter T. Click the letter T, ate. Ate Isabel, you need to type the answer. Go. Study. Okay, just wait, child. You're next. Don't forget the Y, Isabel. Okay, good job. Okay, next, child. Okay, drag one picture from here. Select the move and drag icon. Like what you did last Friday. Go. You move the picture. On your toolbox, you can see the drag and select icon. Go. Can you see it? Okay, just teacher will do it na lang. Okay, what is this? Shall. What? Can you please make it louder? What is this? Shall? Okay, cooking. That is very good. Okay, can you type it? Shall, can you type cooking or cook? Go. Okay. Cook. Oh, that's it. Okay, cooking. Okay, very good. Okay, who's still not called? Okay, who still need to answer? Si Kaylee. Si Kaylee, you need to put wash. Okay, go Kaylee. Here. Okay, wash. Very good. Okay. Next, what is this doing? The picture shows what?
Teacher, me.
I see. Where are you? Sorry. Okay, sorry po. Okay, what is that brief all about? What it says? Can you please type your answer? Okay, teaching. That is very good. Sabi mo, balik na lang. Okay, so we have teaching. Can you please read from the left? Teaching. Cry. Okay. So that is our lesson that we need to study. What is that? Okay, so that all that Words tells action. So that is what we call verb. Can you please read?
Verbs.
Okay, so when you say verbs, a verb is
Is a word that shows
action. Okay, like, can you read below?
Jumping.
Okay, the baby sleeps. A man eats a burger. Okay.
Burger.
Okay, so that for now, we're going to get our book. So get ready with your book. We need to answer.
Teacher.
Yes, book. English book.
Teacher Maris, what page?
Okay, just wait.
What page po?
Ito na po. Okay, let me see what page is this one. 136.
Six.
Okay, so in our exercise 1, can you tell what people do? Going to draw a line from the dots on the left to choose on the right. Okay, so you're going to do it on your book. We're going to read the sentences or phrases at the right side. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's read first the first phrase on the right. What's that mean? Curious, aching. Okay, where do you think it is? Okay, let's have shall. Shall, what picture is cures aching teeth?
Hi. Ma.
What picture tells or shows cures aching teeth? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Shall. Okay, number 2. Very good. Next. Ako na shall ha. Okay, next. Helps the sick. Emil, it's your turn.
Doctor.
Okay, where is that?
Number 3.
Number? Oh, can you draw a line? Can you draw a line, please? Draw a line. Okay, good job. Okay, next is Kaylee. Kaylee, can you please read first?
Bakes bread and cakes.
Okay, where is that? Can you draw a line?
Yes. Cannot.
You cannot. Sorry. Okay, Kaylee, can you try it again?
Okay.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, good job. Okay, next. Okay, next, Ethan. Read first. Helps.
Put out fire.
Okay, can you please draw a line?
Teacher, there's no line.
Okay, try it again. Oh, that's white. Okay, next. Seidel. Teachers, can you please read first?
Pupils to read and
Okay, teaches pupils to read and write. Okay, that is good job. Okay, next is Trixie. Okay, Trixie, can you please draw a line?
Catches fish.
Okay, who catches fish? From the picture, draw a line po. Okay, go. You can do it. Okay, good job. Okay, next. Isabel, what is the last plants? Tapos susunod si ate. Plants. Read it for Isabel. Plants, rice.
Plants, rice.
And, saglit lang, Brie. And vegetables.
And vegetables.
Okay, can you please draw a line? Okay, good job. Okay, Brie, you're going to start the exercise B. Can you please read it first before you answer? Okay, read it first.
I blank my name.
Okay, what is the kid doing? The girl doing? What is she doing? I blank my name. Can you please type in your answer? Okay, good job. Can you please read the whole sentence with the correct answer?
I write my name.
Okay, good job. Okay, next, who can answer number 2? Okay. Get answer number 2, please. Go.
Teacher, i-write po to dito sa book.
Apo, you write it on your book. Okay, can you please type what is the boy doing? I also blank my fingers. What are you going? What the picture tells?
I also count my fingers.
Okay, good job. Can you please read the whole sentence, Trixie? Can you please read the whole sentence?
I also count my fingers.
Okay, good job. Okay, next tayo. Okay, number 3, Ethan. Oh, can you please read the sentence? Okay, good job. Okay, next. Kaylee. Next is Seidel. Okay, Kaylee, read the number 4. Okay, can you please read the answer? The correct sentence.
Play in the playground.
Okay, good job. Okay, next is Seidel for number 5. Seidel first. Okay, can you read it, Seidel?
We clean our classroom.
Okay, good job. Okay, so you're going to wait, shall, okay, for the next thing that we need to answer. Okay, we all know that the verbs tells action. Okay, so we're going to give an example. After we answer, we're going to give example one by one. Okay, show me some action, shall, please. Example of a verb. What's that? Okay. How about you? Can you give me example of verb? Go. What are you doing right now, Emil?
Waving.
Waving. Good job. How about Kaylee? Can you please give me one action po? Oh, what's that?
Dancing.
Okay, good job. How about Ethan? Give me one action word. What's that? What's that?
Clapping.
Clapping. Okay. Next, Seidel. Seidel.
Combing.
Combing the hair. Okay. Next, Trixie. Give me one action word and do it.
Eating.
Eating. How do you eat? Act it, please. Okay. You're shy. Good job. Next, Sabel. Sabel, give me some action.
Writing.
Okay, writing. Like what you're doing right now. You're holding a pencil and you're writing. Okay, how about Bree? What's that? Shouting? Okay. Okay, thank you.